Ready? To learn? Let's grow together! Welcome to EduNurture Learning Hub! Welcome back, super learners! Remember, AI helps us, but it should not do our work.
Welcome to another AI adventure. Today, we discover if AI is smarter than our brains.
Hello friends, come and see, come and learn about AI. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, learning with AI is lots of fun. AI helps us read and learn, AI helps us spell and write, AI helps us draw great pictures cut with numbers day and night. Free, learn, draw, create, let's explore, it's really great. Let's discover every day. AI helps us tell great stories. AI helps us sing along. AI helps us solve fun puzzles. Learning makes us wise and strong. Lee, who's reading? Children, we're writing. Lee, who's writing? Children, we're writing. Lee, who's creating? Children, who's creating? Everybody, AI.
Let's discover this together. Is AI smarter than our amazing brains? AI relies on your brain, not the other way around. Let's find out why. I can remember lots of information, but I can't think of brand new ideas by myself. Robo, can you dream, imagine, or make a kind choice all by yourself?
No, I can't, but I can help you learn, solve problems, and find information.
Now we can see why AI relies on our brains. That's why we should always think, check things, and ask questions.
Today we learned that our amazing brains think, imagine, and make kind choices. AI is a helpful tool. Quiz time! True or false? AI should do all your thinking? Who does the thinking? Your amazing brain or AI? Great job, super learners! Parents, share your child's answers below. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Great job today, super learners! We're so proud of you. Keep learning and keep smiling. Bye-bye, super learners!
Come along, sing along, clap your hands. Here we go! Jump up high, touch the sky. Learning starts when we play.